Hi, my name is Ben Jordan. I am the Nova and Ally Business Analyst. Today I'm going to be showing you the release overview for our October 2016 release, codename Omelette. You'll see right now that the software is pointing toward Ally, not necessarily Nova, which many of you may be more familiar with. This is because our software is splitting off into both Nova, which is for law enforcement, and Ally, which is primarily for private security focused customers. Because of that, just note that it's going to be Ally branded up top. The rest of the software is going to be exactly the same. There's going to be no difference except for the Ally branding and the gray bar up top. So don't worry if it doesn't say Nova up there. Everything else is going to apply directly to the Nova and the Ally software equally. So before I get into the individual features, I want to do a brief overview of what I'm going to cover. So with this release, we have a number of new features, new larger projects that we do that I want to talk about. Specifically, we have an address feature, which reveals the address table and allows you to view all the addresses within your system. We have some updates to the daily logs module, which you'll be very interested in. We changed some of how durations are calculated, how activities and assignments work, and we added a shift portion to it as well, which we call the shift feature. After that, I'm going to be going over the incident cleanup project that we did. Incident cleanup was a handful of smaller projects that all kind of worked together to make the incident page, the incident edit page specifically, more streamlined and to simplify some of the process in it, giving you the ability to remove some of the fields and that sort of thing. Next up, we're going to be talking about Google Maps, just the functionality that we added there. We'll also be talking about search field customization and unit type customization. Those are all the major features that I'm going to want to cover with this overview. However, I would also like to talk about some various enhancements that we're going to have for you. I won't go over all of them in detail right now, but we will be going over the agency default settings. We have an automatic place search now. You can now focus your map on my location, well, on your location. We have an all tab on dispatch, and we have an exact search option. And there's a handful of other smaller enhancements that I'll be covering as well with this. So without further ado, I think that'll cover it for the overview.